What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing amazing. Thanks for watching the videos. We really appreciate all you guys' support. It means a lot, and it's pretty awesome that we're showing you guys the process of all the builds and projects and just everything that we're doing and getting into. It's pretty freaking awesome. So thank you guys for all your support. In this episode, we're going to be kind of just freeballing it, to be honest. But let me do a little walk around update of what we're doing right now. Got a nice big ass cup of tea because it's fucking freezing outside. By freezing, I didn't know Arizona can go past or below 30. Anyways, I'm gonna shut the hell up and just show you guys what we're doing. So of course, we got the Bros car, right? Beautiful, sexy. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but those little shelves are right there. Used to be on my side. Well, we took them down because I have a lot of crap, as you can see. This is not the finished product. I'm still kind of building. Got a ton of freaking wood. But yeah, still need to put toppers on it, building other stuff. That's a quick little insight. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do higher shelves or whatever. Making like a little work area and just trying to organize everything, because it's been kind of a mess with working on all the damn projects that we're doing. We got the sheet metal dropped off for the truck build. I don't know if you can see that, but let me think here. I think this is 18 gauge and this is 16 gauge cold rolled. We got some of the sidewall. Move that. You got some of the sidewall metal back there. Sandpaper, Bondo, you know, all that stuff. Spare metal, shop vac. One of the lists we have just for the truck. We got the PI heads. Show you guys these. We got the PI heads for the drift stang, because hopefully that's going to be coming in effect sooner than later, because I'd like to take these heads out and throw the PI heads in and get some more power. That's another story, but check this out. Let me show you guys. God damn, that's beautiful. Love that tea. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see the steam or not. A little bit. It's freaking cold. Mustang. We got, I don't know if we could transition. Oh, there we go. You got the bro, he's over here. They're gonna be painting one of the cars. It's the 190E, the daily. You know, nothing crazy, but let me go back to the truck and show you guys what's up. God damn it! Just dropped some fucking tea. Sorry, car. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't even know what to do. I'm sorry. We did a little ring around the rosy with the cars. My daily's in the front. We got truck build now in the middle. Bros build in the back. A bumper that goes to the car in the front. Fixing that up. It has some cracks and stuff, so I'm just redoing the fiberglass work. My car, yeah, it's another story. Got one of my transmissions, but the truck build is tarped up. Kind of was raining, sprinkling over here, so you know, don't want the work to get ruined. Damn, that's some good tea. Shit, I need to put this tea down. Alright, I'm gonna try to do all this one-handed real quick. Show you guys what's up with this. And we got another hook somewhere fucking under here. Alright, well, we got Emma, Killian, and my beautiful Sweet Pea. I swear she's changing colors because she used to be black and now she's like, I don't know, it's freaking multicolored. Let me get this the hell off. Ah, voila! Voila freaking la. Let's check this shit out. Started on some of the body work, as you guys can see. There used to be like a little crease in there. filled it in with some weld. That would have been boring to show you guys all the welding. So I just kind of whoosh, there it is, you know what I'm saying? So a little bit of body work's being done, smoothing it all out. You guys can kind of start to see the little body line, but it's coming out good. I stopped here, and no, it's not like an inch of freaking Bondo. It's Bondo glass for one, so it's a little bit stronger, and for two, it's like, I don't know if you can even see this. This is just, look at this. This is thin as shit, okay? So all of you guys can be like, oh my god, there's a freaking, no, there's not. Not an inch of Bondo. So just shut up. Alright, go over here. You can see our beautiful line that we made, and by we, I mean me. Pretty damn sure I'm gonna just cut it off today. And yeah. Well, I don't really know what the hell I'm gonna do after that. I'm gonna cut it, and then I guess I'm gonna reevaluate why the hell I just cut it. But you gotta do something, because we've been on the drawing board with this and not sure what to do with it. So it's like, you know, when in doubt, cut it out and just work with that. Might even get to cutting out some more of the roof, because when dumbass put the rivets in, he warped the shit out of it. So I'm gonna cut that out and just put a whole new top on maybe today. Well, I don't know if I even have the damn cardboard to make templates. Anyways, we're gonna do that. I feel like I'm rambling a lot. Let me just... And there you have it. That's how you cut some shit. So now I have to figure out how exactly I'm going to be taking this flimsy ass piece, make it strong. Now I'm probably gonna just grab some more of this L stock, L bracket, angled iron, whatever it is, right? Which I have no clue. We just go to the store and say that's what I want. So I need to get some of that stuff and, you know, do a little something right there. A little bit of welding and voila, you know. Before that though, since I'm in a cutting mood, I'm going to cut the roof. Now that's a frickin' sunroof. Hell yeah. I like it. Now I just need a piece of metal. Throw in some supports. Something like that. Then you have a solid roof instead of a sunroof. Then we need to do templates for the sheet metal. Need to weld that. Looks like I have to bring out the welder. Alright, so this is what I got going on. Got a piece of that angled L. Wow. Got a piece of metal. Alright, same thing as the sidewalls over there. So, this needs to pretty much go over there like yo. And I might have to do a little bit more trimming on this little lip where my thumb's hitting. But, piece of metal, weld another piece over there to fill in that. Right there to fill in that. But, can't complain. It's coming out pretty good. Just trying to figure out how to, yeah, not really sure. Anyways, yeah, let me get back to it. Not quite sure what the hell happened, but I mean, stitch welded in. But the piece I cut, ain't matching up. I'm curious, because that piece is straight, and it looks like it transitions good. So I'm gonna just say, what the hell, and you know, cut that little piece that I stitch welded in right there, that right there. Just have it be flat. I'm just hoping that it's not hoping. Did I say hoping? Hoping that it's not going to be too low. Yeah, what the hell. Alright, I'm going to cut it. Still got to make some little patches for right there and right there. Cap those in, weld them in. Then yeah. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Alright, that looks way better. Not only is this coming out a lot better than I was expecting it to, but this weather's starting to warm up finally. I mean, what, 50, 54 degrees? It ain't really shit, but better than what we've been having. So, I'm gonna make these little caps for the ends, and then I have to start thinking about bracing for the back. What's up, guys? So just got done with the tailgate. Has Bondo glass on it now. I need to let it cure overnight. I'm gonna wait to do the roof tomorrow or another day. Run out of time. It's getting pretty cold. I'm on like my 4th or 5th cup of tea. It's cold. You know, it was just me today. Everyone else has their own stuff going on, but banged it out, got it done. I'll show you guys little side caps real quick. Got little side caps welded in on both sides. Came out pretty sick. Deleted the little hole where the push trunk button and the emblem holes were at. Like I said, it's not that much Bondo glass. It just looks like a lot. Have a lot of sanding to do. Some of the dogs kept me company the whole time. Pretty awesome. But I'm gonna call it a day. I'm tired. It's cold. There's the little support bars. But yeah. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.